Hi guys, thank you so much to every one of you who came to my auction, my patrons, my auction winners and bidders, and all of the viewers. You guys made my auction a complete and huge success, so I appreciate you so much. If you didn't get a chance, I marked down everything in my store at heathermaderart.com half price. And I'm going to leave that up for a couple days for you guys to enjoy, and then I'll be returning the prices. Now, if you want to be a patron of the arts to help me bring more art videos to you, follow the link to the PayPal in my description box. Small donations are welcome. Every little bit helps you guys, so thanks so much to all of you for your support. This is a 12 by 24 gallery wrapped canvas, and what I'm doing here is just preparing it for a swipe. I am doing a bunch of different colors, but the focus mainly is blue, yellow, and black. And the reason is because I'm trying to make this for a friend who I know likes those colors, and blue is his favorite color, and black, and he also wants to hang this in his office, so this would be something that I don't want to make too feminine. It kind of needs to have more of a manly kind of look to it. He's originally from the islands, so I know that he would appreciate something that was kind of watery looking, oceanic maybe, and so that's kind of the feel that I'm going for. The colors on here: cobalt blue, the Deco Art metallic blue, teal, turquoise, copper, and then I just made that butter yellow looking color. There's pearl white as well, and then the black, which is the thin swipe color. Now, I ended up having way too much paint on my canvas, so that was my first mistake. I should have used very thin lines of paint, but I didn't. So I had to run some of it off, which, maybe was not my best choice, but this is what I did. At least I coated the whole canvas with paint. And then now I'm going to use a damp paper towel. Now you'll see sometimes I use a dry paper towel, sometimes I use a damp one. Today I decided to use a damp one. And I think that's because my colors were mixed a little thicker. Most of these colors today were mixed with Floetrol, and a few were mixed with the GAC 800 and the golden pouring medium because I had those left over. I haven't had a chance to paint in over a week, so these are paintings that I've done quite a while ago, but I just hadn't had the chance to show the videos yet. I am jonesing to paint, you guys. But now with my auction, and I do have a real job as a chef, I am going to be packaging up paintings in my free time for probably a few days. I'm hoping to sneak in a painting now pretty soon because I don't like to go too long without painting. I start getting like itchy fingers, I have to. It's part of my medicine. That's what I'll say. Painting is extremely healing for me. It's a creative outlet and I need to do it. So now I swiped through this and I really didn't like the bottom. It looked very muddy to me. And I also know that his favorite color is blue and a lot of yellow was showing through. So I decide I'm going to make the blue pop and more black because that's just what I'm thinking when I'm thinking about the person I'm painting this for. So it just wasn't up to par for me, and I didn't feel like he was going to like that look. So I had to run a little bit of that paint off the side, but I decide I'm going to really boost the blue in this painting, so that's what I did. Then I just went through and swiped again. Now I think in this case the reason I decided to use a damp paper towel was because the black, normally the swipe color, I would make a little thinner, but because I didn't this time, the dampness in the paper towel would probably add a little bit of water to that black. And that would help make those little pretty cells appear that you see that are appearing right now. Just make sure the edge is touching the black like that all the way down, and then I pull it. Swipes are so easy, you guys. It's a really good one to do if you're having a bad painting week, or if you're trying to save a painting that you just have tried everything and it's just not working out. Swipes are extremely relaxing. I just find it's a good sort of like no stress, low expectation form of painting, because they're just beautiful. And they just turn out beautiful almost without any effort. And I love that about it, this technique. And that's it. I just really loved this simple painting. Now see, I thought, okay, there's a lot of blue and a lot of black in there, and he's gonna like that. Now, the irony is, I showed him this painting afterwards, and he texted me back with a painting that he had seen on my website and asked me if it was available. So I didn't actually end up even selling this one to him, so this one is actually available if anyone is interested. Like I said, it's a 12 by 24 gallery wrapped, and I just love how it turned out. It's really, really watery looking, oceanic. I really love that center part. I'm going to take it under the light so you guys can see maybe some of the metallics. This was a hard one to film. I couldn't get the light totally right, but it's a really pretty one. If you're interested, you can contact me, heathermaderart@gmail.com, Facebook. Look at that. Oh, it takes my breath away. It's really pretty. And thanks so much for watching, you guys. And this was just a quick little one. I hope to see you again soon, and thanks for sticking around and watching more art videos that I make just for you. Bye-bye.